What a douche. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're going to be watching Doctor Who. It's season 2, episode 4. It's titled Lucky Day. So the synopsis says Ruby faces life without the Doctor. But can she save her new boyfriend from the Shriek? Okay, no idea what this is about. Apparently this is like a Doctor-lite episode or something like that, and it's mainly about Ruby. So kind of like 73 or 74, 73 yards last year. I don't know how it's gonna connect because last time we left off with Mrs. Flood and the Vindicator, and then the Doctor and what's her name, Belinda, leaving the planet after meeting the monster from Midnight. Yeah. Right, no clue how this is going to go, so let's get into it.
Did we make it?
Definitely Earth. Definitely London.
The smell.
Look, I have found 50p. We are winning.
Are you trying to focus?
Yes, please focus.
What is your name?
Conrad? Please say it's 2025. 2024?
What year?
Start with a 20?
It's 2007.
Oh, damn.
This is meant for you.
Why?
Cause it is your lucky day.
Name of the episode.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Should we get you to him? Or not?
Dr. Anna Belinda Chandra!
How many times, Conrad? Enough with the lies.
It's not a lie! Look!
Oh, damn.
But this week, I found someone who knows its secrets.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ruby Sunday.
Okay, and this is our new boyfriend. And that's his connection. Alright. Okay, so we see that the Doctor and Belinda have been trying to get back to Earth using different time periods rather than getting back to May 24. Lucky day, Pete Matig.
Things got crazier.
This man is an adventurous spirit. I would not be going in there and hearing that sound. I would not stay there. I would leave. Oh, there it is.
Do I drink it?
Tastes like candy floss. At least you can't get tracked by the Shriek anymore.
Yeah, but anyone else can track me. The screen still stinks.
That antidote is gonna knock you out for about 8 hours.
Yeah, I could do with the rest, because life with you is mad. Half an hour ago, we were hanging out with the Beatles.
Oh, this is right after that Beatles episode. Cool.
So the last thing I expected was to land you on my podcast this morning. I have so many questions.
He is very dedicated.
Because I am such a fan. I mean,
Aliens are real. We all know that.
some trolls online say UNIT, all this talk of monsters, is just a cover story for something.
Like what?
There's no reason to be scared. I mean, the people at UNIT are amazing, doing good work, keeping us safe.
Like the Doctor?
Yes, like the Doctor.
Great little cafe around the corner if you have time for a quick one.
Oh,
I mean,
now, no.
coffee, obviously, or tea.
Oh, this guy is clumsy.
Coffee sounds great.
Oh, that's the name of the podcast, Lucky Day, because the Doctor told him that.
Now it's hunting you.
Yes.
First thing you'd notice is the lights. The Shriek's background radiation messes with electricity. Then it'd show itself. Just a glimpse. It'd have you trapped.
So cool.
Feed or fear. Once you scared. and running, pumping with adrenaline.
Why?
Because it likes the taste.
That makes sense.
To be fair, I saved his a few times.
When I was a kid,
More him than you, though.
said it was my lucky day. I think he was wrong.
Today's your lucky day?
I think that's today.
Oh, nice. Smooth.
On one condition. You let me buy you dinner. Or we both buy dinner.
Let's try again.
And he's not my boyfriend, it's just a date.
Conrad Clark. Oh, on a spelling.
Clark with no E. And if you scroll down, he's got his shirt off.
Mom.
Oh, don't pretend you haven't looked.
Okay, I'm gonna be late. Bye!
Your grandson.
I miss them. Especially Cherry.
It was just me and my mum growing up. She died. Liver cancer.
Oh, damn.
Never really talked about it.
You could talk to me.
Sorry, I'm not as cool as the doctor.
No, you're nice. You're...
No one can be as cool as a doctor, bro. Don't try to live up to that. I like that the ring with the whole fancy, yeah.
I've told you things that I've not told anyone. I mean, I've tried.
Why was that car acting up with the lights?
Probably having a breakdown.
Suspicious.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
I think you're amazing.
How many days is this now?
I'm not counting.
5. It's 5.
Oh, 5 is
And be very careful. I have been to English villages. I got looks.
Do you know, she's not mentioned the doctor in weeks.
I tell you what, they think I'd never had a relationship the way they're carrying on.
What?
You said relationship. Am I your boyfriend?
See how this weekend goes.
I mean, going on a weekend with a guy,
I'm your boyfriend.
I'm sure. Okay, yeah, so it's not just the lights in the cab.
Not again.
This happened at the bus stop.
Yep.
The generator's supposed to kick in.
And with the cabs. With the cab.
Mel's on her way to Sydney.
Oh, you on your own?
Yeah,
I
I like working late.
Okay then.
Have you heard from him recently?
Wait, who's Mel again? I need to look back on that.
We've got the shriek locked away, and if your friend took the antidote, he's fine.
That I'm paranoid?
But you're on alert.
Wait, did he take the antidote though?
Just checking you're still with us.
Yeah, it's still there. But maybe there's more than one.
Because what happened last year was just not normal. I mean, I fought gods, kidnapped by goblins. I dangled on a rope ladder above London.
Yeah, mad.
I watched the world turn to dust. Every day is like fight or flight, and I'm waiting for something to go wrong.
Nothing's going wrong while I'm here, right?
Sure, alright. You can't promise that. You're not the doctor.
What the hell was that?
Biscuit got the fright of his life.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Another one.
Ruby, I didn't take the antidote.
I knew that.
I wanted to be brave, like the doctor.
That's not brave. That's been an idiot.
Stay indoors, alright?
Sorry, love. Who put you in charge?
Oh, go and get some fresh air, big man.
Exactly.
And once they're done tearing you to pieces, the shriek could wipe out this entire village. Just stay here.
He's not gonna listen to her.
Outside!
It's gone wrong, and it's my fault, and I don't want you dealing with this on your...
See? Knew it.
In serious danger. You are in danger.
We're a team.
like you.
No, 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 buddy. You know where that at? That's all that's left of Sparky, I think.
We're too late. This is all because of me.
Yes, it is.
Where are they?
Eyes on. Set weapons. Just.
Wait a minute. They're not Shriek.
You idiots. How would do, boss?
Nailed it.
Ah.
You raggedy bitch.
Exposing the lies perpetuated by UNIT. By you. I've had to listen to your stories for weeks now. Your insecurity and vanity. Listen to your tedious mothered in lip gloss. It has been a chore getting to know.
Shut up, bitch!
What a douche.
But now it's all worth it. Lying to the public. Spending our money. Hiding in your tower.
Protecting people like you.
Oh, they can't stop lying!
The threat to this planet is real. If you want evidence, I've got plenty of it, so
This
you can...
one's collecting benefits, stealing our taxes while she lies to us.
Oh. Okay.
You've gifted me this moment. Ruby Sunday. Is that even your name, by the way? Because it's ridiculous.
Yes, it's her real name.
They're spying on us and lying about it. Are you getting us on camera?
There are soldiers literally pointing their guns at you.
That's how they suppress us, with fear. Meanwhile, they're working against us. Their names and addresses are on the screen right now. Every one of them is spying on you.
Oh boy.
HQ want you at the tower.
Conrad Clark has hit a nerve.
Have you seen this? Conrad Clark.
Wait, is that Ellie from Who Culture?
This is a grudge, dressed up as a youth movement.
No, it's more than that. It's about power. And this is giving him a voice, right?
Yeah.
Craving attention his whole life. Mum practically ignored until the day she died.
His mother's not dead. Lives in the south of France. Nice villa. He owns 3 properties, and of course, he's a tax driver.
Of course.
Imagine what happens when a dictator gets access to a time window or transduction drive.
Is this guy working for them?
Did Conrad get his stuff there?
We're working on the assumption he has someone on the inside.
What are you doing? This is a stunt. We don't need weapons. Subject 2, Jordan Lang.
Jordan.
Ground staff report shots fired. And someone's in the lift. Kate 1 Baelish, 2025.
It's Conrad.
Stop the lift.
No, wait. Let him come.
What?
That man has single-handedly undermined everything we work for. We need to finish this.
Oh, okay. We'll see how this goes.
Drop the gun, Conrad.
A lot of weapons pointing at one man. I'm just defending myself. Drop it. I don't take orders from traitors. And that's what you are.
Traitors?
Don't you dare point a gun at her! And do you know what I wrote?
I'd throw in a compliment.
The 3
I wouldn't throw in a compliment.
don't trust him.
I think you're so superior. Up in your tower, looking down on us.
Keeping you safe.
I want a confession. That you're hiding, that we paid for.
You're deluded.
The grown-ups are talking! Or are you a coward, like your father was?
You should be very careful what you say about my father.
His only legacy was a pack of lies.
He was 100 times the man you...
That is true?
You shot someone to get in here.
It's nothing to do with me.
A man's life is hanging in the balance, and you're not even sorry.
Maybe you shot him. Or he was an actor. Or he never existed.
What? Oh, this guy's off the deep end.
I'm glad he's not here, because he would have stopped me.
She's gonna make him go outside with the monster.
It's coming, Conrad, and it's after you.
You're bluffing.
Nope.
Feel your heartbeat. Smell the blood in your veins. So I'm wondering, how committed are you to the lies you've told? Stay back.
The power's down, bro. You can't leave.
All cameras, live transmission to Conrad's social media.
Fence lead outside.
It won't leave. Not while he's here.
This is a wild play by Kate.
Kate, we have to help him.
She'll make the move when she thinks it's right.
Help me!
Admit you were wrong, bro.
Kate, do something.
What's behind your mask, Conrad? An angry little man put the safety of this country at risk. Everything my father ever worked for personal gain.
Everything, just take a stop, please. Please!
And you're saved. You're welcome.
Go to hell.
Correct.
Right, so good girl.
At least your special effects are improving.
Dedicated to the bit, lost an arm. Or at least he's severely injured on his arm. One of the two.
Went way too far. Geneva.
Like you said, he'll live.
I stand with UNIT is a hashtag. So is hot taser. I mean, you or me?
Both.
I just need some time to get my head around it.
Valid, very valid.
Away from everyone.
Understandable.
You've already got 2 months. What do you collect?
Dr. Spade paid a special visit to you, bro.
You're special for all the wrong reasons.
Exactly.
Cowards like you, weaponizing lies, taking people's insecurity and fear and making it currency.
Have you met Belinda Chandra yet?
Who?
Oh, okay, this is pre-Belinda. Cool. Makes sense.
Die in a prison cell, boiling in anger and poison. Your heart packs in age 49, alone and unloved, forgotten.
I don't accept your reality. Doctor. I reject it. And get off my world.
Even when facing... But he knew the truth already. So it's not even like... Yeah. He just committed. Has to be. Is this, Mrs. Flood? Coming to get him out?
Did I imagine that?
No, sweetheart. It's ever so big, isn't it?
The TARDIS.
Oh, I'm the governor. And it's your lucky day.
Interesting.
The hell is this?
A spider? Okay. Okay, so that was Lucky Day, Doctor-lite episode. And like last year, episode 4 was 73 yards, which is also a Doctor-lite episode with just Ruby. Well, the Doctor was in there too, but it was mainly Ruby. Okay. So, clocked it. And it's only 8 episodes this season, and the finale is called Reality War. Airing May 31st, the week after the May 24 one, which is Witch World, which is the day the world goes babloom. And so that's interesting because Jordan made the point about so, something about reality about he rejects this reality or something like that. And um, we see Mrs. Flood letting him out of the prison in the end. So potentially Conrad might be coming back. Not Jordan, Conrad. Jordan is the unit officer, agent. And so we might see him come back. So something to look out for. But yeah, so this episode is all set in before the period that the Doctor meets Belinda. And so Doctor meets Belinda, he's traveling, goes all the way back to 2007, meets Conrad, gives him the coin. Conrad is in as an abusive childhood. He is enraptured with the Doctor and all of that, and applies the unit on the back of that, gets rejected because of his own issues caused by this childhood where his mother was not the best mother to him. So that's manifested in some deep-seated issues. But he's dedicated to being like the Doctor and everything. So he joins up unit, but gets rejected, and so gets him into a spiral. He has the podcast and everything, and but secretly he's manifesting, he's gathering all these people to be online trolls because he's one of those online trolls. So he mentioned in the podcast about online trolls, the unit is just wasting resources and all that. He's referring to himself, and so all that happens, gets Ruby, hooks Ruby in. He has been searching for Ruby, finally meets her, and he doesn't take the antidote. And I could believe him when he said it was like he was trying to be the Doctor, but obviously it wasn't. It's because he's aiming to prove that everything is fake and all of that. So that's why he's doing all of this. And he gets like those whole media furor with the misinformation and everything. And when he's faced with his comeuppance, when he's faced with life and death, when the monster is in there in front of him, he's like, please help me. He gets the help. And he gets help, and he's like, okay, back to be on my grift. I'm a grifter. I can't lose my followers and everything. I gotta get back on the train. Says like, okay, I was here. Special effects are improving. Good luck. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, that doesn't make sense. But yeah, and gets attacked, gets injured, and obviously that sets off a chain reaction where people who would have been following are like, oh, this guy is definitely a grifter. He's lying. But obviously, as we know, all these things work. A good portion of his fan base will still be with it. Some will have realized, oh, this guy is he's lying to us, and they'll pack off. But a good portion will still be with him. Just like, we see in modern day where like various people, like, they lie constantly, but it fuels the reality perception that people want, and so they are stuck with it, and so they just buy in. They're not giving up. They want to believe, and so they will believe, no matter what. And yeah, so that's mainly the point of this episode, is that Conrad had to lie and deceive to get prove that people are lying and deceiving, even though they actually are not lying and deceiving. And he himself knows that, but he has warped his mentality to believe that he has been rejected because he knew the truth. So what his truth was is in fact incorrect, but it's a new truth that they are hiding, the truth that they are lying. So you see, it's like all this mix up and baka and thinga. And so that's where he is in his perception of things. You could definitely see this happening, because it does happen in the real world, and so it's definitely possible that would happen in Doctor Who. And like this is, I like when the show gives us new things to work off, because like this isn't like a rehash of anything. It's like this is something that obviously is like reflected in our reality, and then so it's just, I'm sure like other shows have done like stuff like this before, but it's like a new thing, and that's the format of the show helps us to do stuff like this, where you can do something different, like Lux, where like we had the Doctor got animated this season, and now we have this old thing where like Misinformation Podcast Bro. He's like famous, but he's like he gets radicalized and he gets a following and all this and that, and just people are affected. And so yeah, just lessons to learn and to pay attention. And I'm looking forward to how the next 4 episodes, because we have a spider and we have people in Nigeria, and yeah, so not paying too much attention. That's just like a alien spider or robot spider, something like that, and some with dreams and missing people. Cool. But yeah, so this wasn't like an amazing episode or anything like that, but it was good quality. Not is very definitely above average. Good writing, good job. Everyone did well. Nice to see Ruby again. I'm sure she'll show up again. I don't know how or when, but she definitely show up. Good time. Enjoyed it. Looking forward to more. Can't wait to see what other people think of this. And it's just basically like misinformation, grifter, warped reality. You know the truth, but you are fighting the truth because it's beneficial for you to not accept the truth. And the Doctor also looked snazzy in that white. Yeah, I need that fit. I don't think I could rock that game, but like Ncuti can, but why not? Anyway, those are my thoughts. Goodbye.